What's up, what's happening? It's your boy Tree. Welcome back to the Treehouse. I appreciate you clicking on this video today. Today is bright, but it is cold. Today's video, I'm going to be telling you why I think that you have back pain and the best way to alleviate it. But first I want to preface this by saying I'm not a doctor by any means. I wish I was. I wish I got that picture. But I'm just a guy. I'm just a guy who makes YouTube videos sometimes. And I think I can help you out. So if you guys are ready for that, let's get it. So I have an automatic starter for my car and didn't do it. I can see my breath in my car and I have an automatic starter. Why do I do this to myself? Why? I ain't gonna lie, I just had a giant fail moment. Tried to walk onto the treadmill, forgot to turn the camera on, tried to press the button wouldn't work. I'm gonna warm up first and then I'm gonna stretch. And then I'll explain what I was talking about with your back pain. When I say back pain, I mean back tightness. Like you feel like you're really stiff. This is for people who just start working out and for basically people who just start working out or people who have been working out for a while and you don't know why your back is hurting like it is.
To the beach, and you don't stop, flower child, to the beach,
Alright guys, so I have another question before this is the stuff I have to deal with. So before I try to help you out a little bit, I want to ask you, when was the last time that you stretched your hips out? A lot of people don't realize that your hips, when they're tight, your back gets tight, because it's all interwoven together. So I'm gonna get this workout in, and then I'm gonna give you some stretches. Once you stretch your hips out, that'll alleviate some back pain.
Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the drain. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24/7 days. Favorite color, money green. Paper. I've been on my grind since I was in the 7th grade. Had my first kid, I was only 17. Always a provider for my pack like Wolverines. But you won't find me on the mountaintop. Need no calculator, I can weigh it cause it kinda lie. Always on my top around that paper like a Michael Scott. Your boyfriend is Dwight, he want my spot, he always round a lot. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the jeans. Get paid, little shorty.
Alright guys, before we stretch, I'm gonna hit about 20 minutes of cardio. Probably do intervals, that's what I've been doing for the last, I don't know, week or so, and it feels really good. Then we'll get to stretching and help you guys in your bad backs, because I got a bad back too.
Yeah, I just stack it up and save. Never be a day I blow 100 for.
Alright guys, so the first stretch to help your back pain is super easy. It's the butterfly stretch. If you played sports, you know what this guy is. Put your feet real close, real close. And I was always taught to open it like open your toe, like your feet, like a book, like this, and put your elbows against your thighs. So this stretches out your hips, and this is probably the one that makes you feel like your back feel the best. Because when your hips aren't tight, your back isn't tight. They go hand in hand. It's like your bicep and your tricep. Chest and your back. They go hand in hand. So hit one of these guys for about 15, 20, 30 seconds if you want. And then don't rip your pants, because I think that's what might have just happened just now. The next exercise, or next stretch rather, is basically you just open your legs and you go down the middle, and then you go to the right, and you go to the left. Just make sure you do about 30 seconds on each movement. So 30 seconds in the front, 30 seconds on the right, 30 seconds on the left. And then you can repeat that as much as you want. And then the last one is it's a doozy. It is a doozy, but it'll make you feel amazing whenever you do it. So stay tuned for that one. Just hold on one second. Let me get this in. Alright guys, so the last stretch that will help alleviate your back pain. And this one is good. You have to kind of work your way up to it, but once you are able to do this one and be able to put a little bit more pressure, your back pain, it will significantly help your back tightness. That's really what it is, back tightness. Not really back pain, but back tightness. So you straddle basically one of these mats, or lean back, stretch your hips out. So that one is a, that one sucks. For real, sometimes it does. But it is really good. And I'm gonna do it again, and I'll show you guys a different angle of it so you can get a little better gist of it. Alright guys, just finished up that awesome workout and I showed you guys the stretches. I'll throw them back on the screen here. One thing I will say is stretching is one of the most important things when it comes to fitness, because staying limber prevents injuries. So like being flexible prevents injuries, because something happens, you do something a little bit wrong, you're not feeling it that day, you tweak something, whatever. When you are flexible, those injuries, I'm not saying they don't happen, because I'm a very flexible person and I've torn my ACL twice, but it prevents them from happening. So that's one of the things that I always try to do. I don't do it as much as I should, and I don't do as much as I used to, but I love the feeling of after stretching. Those are 3 exercises, like I said, that will alleviate back pain. Appreciate you guys watching this video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button, comment, tell me what you think. What stretches do you like doing? What exercises do you like doing? Just give me, let's start a conversation down there in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm bringing 2 videos a week. That was my goal. That's what I'm going for. I've been doing this 100-day challenge and I've ran every single day. Today was day number 20 that I did. And we're just rolling through this year, man. We are just rolling through this year. I want you guys all to have a great rest of the day. Remember, consistency is the key to everything in life. Peace, guys.